welcome to We Love Orchids. Today we're going to have an unboxing of a few orchids that we acquired from Yoshi at Orchids by the Lake. But before we do that, my wife wants to show this beautiful gift that was given to her. Okay, what is it?
Hi guys, so it was my birthday this month and my brother gifted me this mini no ID phalaenopsis, and the leaves are really erected. It's white, some tinges of yellow and pink in the inside, and he chose a good orchid because the roots are fantastic, they're wonderful, and it's still budding, so I'm gonna have a good time looking at her. And it's acclimated. Once this is the spike is done, then I'll change it. And I think I have something else coming up out here, which is really exciting. Hopefully it's a keiki or just another flower spike.
Alright, we'll see in time. Alright, nice. Okay, so let's see what we received from Orchids by the Lake.
He was having a sale online and I got tempted. Yoshi, it's your fault.
And we received the package early. It's the list. Wow, I opened the right side of the box. It has the list here.
Yes.
So we got so far 1, 2. I never know what to expect. My wife is the one that orders all the orchids. Okay, so I see 3. I see 3. All right. Let's open this one first.
Okay, we're gonna open the big one
because I want to make sure I don't cut any leaves. Or I'll give you the label. That's a neat way to put the labels.
Yes, it is.
Here you go. You can read the name of that
see it right away. So this one is an Angraecum leonis by Sib. I always wanted one of these. I already have an Angraecum cistipedalis, so hopefully this one will do fine.
Alright. Everything is nice and moist. Ooh, wow, look at that.
And this was a live sale he had. And this one had 2 in 1, so this is a good buy.
Let me just
Thank you, Yoshi.
The tape and the
She looks really pretty.
so you can see it better. Nice. Yeah, so you could talk about that a bit while I open up the other one.
Angraecum leonis. She's very succulent. Oh, she kind of opens it. Her flowers are white, like almost all the Angraecums. And they tend to hang down. So she needs, I know she needs humidity, good watering, but let her dry out. And I'll keep researching her.
Why is there 2 of them?
This one came with 2. I guess that's like it's not a keiki. It's she just brought it from there. I don't think this one does keikis.
Right. I don't know if I did a close up of that. Alright. Well, when we find the flowers are short. No, that one doesn't go there. That's the next orchid.
Oh.
So you're gonna read it.
Yeah, so this one in there.
I love those.
Okay, so this one is Peace Marabellina Cerulea by Violacea Indigo. This one must smell wonderful because I love the Violacea smell and the Bellina smell. So this must be very interesting. Thank you, Yoshi.
Okay, one of the leaves has a little damage, but that's okay because there's a new growth right there.
So I'll let it acclimate as well. So Peace Marabellina Cerulea by Violacea Indigo.
Alright, and the last orchid, here's the label.
And this one is the Papilanthe hookerianus. It's a species. It's like stringy. I believe it's a seedling. I need to research a little more on it. Oh, it has a little spike. That's so cute.
Wow.
I thought it was a seedling. I guess not. It has a little spike right there. A little bud, I mean.
You can see that bud.
Yeah, it's really tiny. Cool.
It's funny because this is like one of the longest names I've ever seen.
Papilanthe. poopery
And it's such a tiny little thing.
it's a species.
Here you go, babe.
It has Tourette leaf, so I'm assuming it needs a lot of light. And oh no, sorry, it's not a spike. It's a root.
A root that comes from the top.
Yeah, there's some orchids like that. See, that's why I need glasses because I'm blind.
All right.
It's okay, baby.
Well, let's see what happens.
Oh, she'll grow with us. So she needs a lot of light. Right now, we'll probably put her into not too much bright because she's still a seedling. So that's Yoshi.
So put that in there so you won't mix it up. Even though
we were really fooled with that one.
His name is.
Yeah.
So here are 4 new orchids for our collection. The one that was gifted to my wife by her brother Alex. And 3 new orchids to keep my wife busy. and us together to film videos. And we just, again, as always, thank you for watching. Remember, we love orchids and you should love orchids also.
You better.
Bye.